Welcome to another ESL Resource Bank English lesson. In this video, we'll learn how to accept an invitation politely. Accepting invitations helps build connections and shows enthusiasm. We'll look at 3 different scenarios where someone accepts an invitation. Here are some key expressions you might use. I'd love to. That sounds great. I'm looking forward to it. Now, let's see these expressions in action. Example 1, social invitation, dinner party.
Hey, Tom, I'm having a dinner party at my place this Saturday. Would you like to come?
Hi Lisa, I'd love to. What time should I be there?
Great. Come over around 7 p.m.
Sounds perfect, I'll see you then. Sports event invitation.
Hey, Mike, a bunch of us are going to the soccer game on Friday. Do you want to join us?
That sounds great, Jane. I'd love to join. What time does the game start?
It starts at 7 p.m. We can meet at the stadium entrance.
Perfect, I'll be there. Casual invitation. Hey Sarah, do you want to grab a coffee after work today?
Sure, Alex, I'd love to. Where should we go?
How about the cafe down the street at 5 p.m.?
Sounds good, I'll meet you there.
As we've seen, there are different ways to accept an invitation enthusiastically and politely. Remember to always show your appreciation and confirm the details. The key expressions we used were, I'd love to. That sounds great. I'm looking forward to it. Practice these phrases and you will be ready to accept any invitation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.